Hey, welcome to the Mortgage Minute for Wednesday, November 10th. Tomorrow, Remembrance Day. The news in this week, the mortgage news this week, the big one was the total amount of mortgages in Canada tops the $1 trillion mark. And of course, it's interesting. People automatically hear that number. They think, oh my God, Canadians are getting overladen with debt, but the reality is the exact opposite. It was interesting that it is stated that 72% of the total value of houses in Canada are homeowners who have mortgages with up to 50% equity in their home. It's unbelievable. And in fact, 22% of mortgages have amortizations of less than 25 years because we were all worried about people getting extended on their amortizations. 35% of Canadian homeowners are paying more than the minimum, more than they need to. It's interesting. And the bottom line is, it just again reflects the fact that when you compare the American model to the Canadian model, it's night and day. Okay, so the other thing is people again worry about, well, housing prices go up. Here, new housing prices get pricier. So of course, as soon as you see headlines like that, immediately people think maybe there's a bubble in the market. Well, here's the other one. It's a spelling error. It says Loonie flits around. I think they mean flirts around parity there. But once you see the dollar hitting parity, folks, this is really important because even if the Bank of Canada wants to raise rates, and even if our global economy recovers, which it's not, but even if it did, the Bank of Canada would still be dealing with a loonie that's going to be pushing above the American dollar. And what's going to happen in the States? The Americans have to start printing money. The big word out of the United States, quantitative easing. What does quantitative easing in the States mean to you as a homeowner? It means an extended period of lower rates. The Bank of Canada will have to fight a rising loonie as the American government implements quantitative easing. Quantitative easing equals rising loonie equals extended period of lower rates. What that means to you is take advantage. The next year, you're going to have an extended grace period of low rates. Make sure you're taking advantage of that to pay off your debt, lower your debt, lower your mortgages, and focus on taking advantage of the low rate environment. That is the Mortgage Minute for November 10th. Have a great Remembrance Day tomorrow, and for more information, go to peterkinch.com. Thanks.